Hello friends, today's topic, how to predict market movement? Question mark. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Many channel members who are new investors or have been investing for some time keep asking us about what are the signs we should look out for to indicate that the market falls. Similarly, when the markets have already fallen, what could be the signs that the market may recover? We have compiled a list of indications which can be noted down since it will be useful for you and your entire stock market journey. Following are some warning signals or indications that there is a market fall coming up. Number one, rising inflation. When inflation rises in an economy, central banks such as RBI will need to control it by increasing interest rates. When interest rates rise, the borrowing cost of the companies rises and results in reduction in their profit. This will create pessimism in the stock markets, results in a stock market fall. Two, large number of IPOs. Maximum number of IPOs are launched when the markets are near high levels, since promoters will be excited to sell their shares at highest possible valuations. Usually, when there is a huge queue to launch IPOs, we can understand that the market may fall, maybe nearing. 3. Excessive optimism in investor sentiment. When investors are extremely optimistic about the future and greed pushes them to invest without any caution, this is a sign of an upcoming fall or crash in stock markets. This is because their emotions can easily change to fear if there is some negative news in the economy. 4. Very high trading volumes and new investors. When the average trading volume are at record high, it is a sign that investors are extremely bullish. Similarly, when there are large number of new demat accounts opened and also inactive investors restarting to invest, it is a sign of excitement and anticipation of a further rally. 5. High returns in fundamentally weak companies. At the height of a bull market, even fundamentally weak companies start rallying massively. Usually, it is a sign of overconfidence of investors in stock markets. You would have noticed this trend in the last few months. Number 6. Only positive news in newspapers. When markets are high, there will be usually only positive news highlighted in the financial newspapers and TV channels. This means that the negative news is not being reported enough or overlooked. Assessment of current situation. Rising inflation? No. Large number of IPOs? Yes. Excessive optimism in investor sentiment? Yes. Very high trading volumes and new investors? Yes. High returns in fundamentally weak companies? Yes. Only positive news in newspaper? No. It is not necessary that all the aspects have to come true for markets to fall or crash. Even few factors are sufficient for investors to become pessimistic. However, right now, the pre-election rally is likely to keep markets positive. On the other hand, when markets have already fallen, then the following things will be visible to investors. Factors which might indicate that markets might recover. Number 1, low inflation for many months. 2, no IPOs or very small number of IPOs launched. 3, excessive pessimism in investor sentiment. 4, low trading volumes and low new demat account opening. 5, fundamentally strong companies struggling and not rallying. 6, mainly negative news in newspaper. Keep a note of such factors since you will get an idea of what kind of a situation markets are and whether it is closer to the top or bottom. At the end of the video, here's the question. Are you expecting Indian markets to correct after the election? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of this particular channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, all the best.